The dream of starting a business is something most of us cherish. But do you know the essential steps you must take before diving into the world of business? Building a successful business requires time, patience, and proper planning. Many people feel confused about where to start. So, in today's insightful story, let's uncover the answers to these questions. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a 25-year-old young man named Ethan. He worked in an office where flattering the boss, shifting blame onto colleagues, and working overtime were all too common. Recently, Ethan had been thinking about starting a business from scratch. However, he had no idea where to begin or what to do. One afternoon, he remembered Mr. Simon, a man deeply passionate about business. Ethan believed he could learn invaluable lessons from him. On a day off, Ethan set off on his motorbike to meet Mr. Simon. This marked the beginning of a life-changing journey. Upon arriving, Ethan saw Mr. Simon feeding his pet birds on the porch. While sipping coffee, Ethan expressed his desire to start a business. He admitted that he didn't know how to avoid common mistakes. Mr. Simon began, "There are 5 crucial steps to starting a business from scratch." He invited Ethan to the seaside to launch a new venture. The scenic environment provided the perfect setup for their discussion. Define the type of business. This first step is crucial because it helps you evaluate risks and benefits. Choose something you enjoy, because a lack of interest can lead to a loss of motivation and eventual failure. Ethan found the simple explanation very easy to grasp. Conduct market research. Identify your target customers, location, and competitors. Observe others. Why is someone successful and why is someone not? Factors like cleanliness, taste, and customer service play a significant role. List your strengths and weaknesses. Create a list based on your research. For example, if your location isn't strategic, use large, attractive signboards to compensate. Understanding this helps maximize advantages and minimize risks. Start without overthinking. Don't overplan. Start as soon as possible. Overplanning is pointless if it's not put into action. You'll only understand the true strengths and weaknesses once you begin. Evaluate and improve. Evaluating performance is crucial. Fix weaknesses and enhance strengths. Keep learning, stay active, and remember, you must make your parents proud and prove your critics wrong. Ethan felt deeply grateful for this wisdom. As a novice, he realized these 5 steps would help him reduce risks. Inspired and motivated, he decided to apply these steps and confidently embark on his journey. This story is a guide for anyone eager to start a business. Whether your business is big or small, applying these steps is essential. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.